Yeah, we about to go in. We got this,
It's
bro.
the young Jersey boy.
You already know who it is, damn deep, bro. Give this my whole heart, give it my whole life. The struggles I went through cut my family like a dull knife. So I had to play Dr. Soma just right. Emerge from the darkness, my Adidas shining so bright. And I don't melt the mic, I freeze it over. So I get so fresh in my game, so tight in the club, and I'm fucking sober. No liquid courage here, I call it confidence. Something I deserve to have, so I know for the fact that you ain't stopping this. Now I'm rocking this, flow so crazy, I stop the shit. Everybody in the club watching this, heads staring at me through binoculars, cause they can't get near me. 2020 vision sees dream clearly. Make sure everybody can hear me, and for those who doubted, fuck you dearly. Yeah, and my boys are ready to take that ride. Fake motherfucker, you can step aside. You were never my boy, why you trying to lie? I ain't got every day, I ain't gotta get high. Every day I'm living, not living to die. Music is my life, so I'm living a rhyme. What? I'm living a rhyme. Yeah, that's what I do, bro, I go in.